Do you know you can save up to 300 USD on installing your washing machine by yourself just with 3 tricks? That is interpreting the manufacturer's manual, basic knowledge on plumbing, and handling of tools. Follow me through this video to gain some techniques for a step-by-step installation while keeping your eyes open for an error can cause a damage to the machine. Hello great minds, today we'll be doing installation for the washing machine. For that, I will need a water supply and a drainage system. Before doing that, I will need safety measures. That's why I'm having a helmet and some plastic shoes. Always take your safety at hand. But for my case, this will not be needed because I'm in an empty space. As you can see, at my backyard. So I will take this off and keep aside. So for the installation to be done properly, I will need PVC pipe, a measuring tape, a hand saw, an adjustable spanner. I also need joints, one T-joint and an elbow joint, a hammer and a chisel. You can use a drilling machine if you have one. Then we also have another PVC pipes, which is for the waste of the weight machine. We have a trowel and a PVC. So this is the section that I have chosen because we have a water supply pipe here going into the bathroom, and then from there I'll move where I am standing some few centimeters for the hole to be drilled, and then I will measure from the level of the tile down 70 centimeters because it is required at least 60, so I just added 10 for precautionary purposes. So I've added 10, which is 70 centimeters from the ground level up the wall. Now I am drilling the wall